thinking today? Something like that? Okay. That same kind of taper?
Yeah, but I don't want it like light. I want it like dark. I want
Dark?
everything dark. Yeah.
Okay. How about the back? You want me to fade the back out?
Yeah, I want the
Okay.
back faded, and I want my sideburns thick. I don't want them thin.
Okay, you want them wide?
Oh yeah.
Alright, YouTube, so after the consultation, my client kind of told me that no barber could get his hairline correct. He told me that it grew backwards. After I combed it out, it didn't grow backwards, but you can't expect your clients to know the technical terms about, hair and stuff like that. You just can't expect them to know that. But his hairline, it was pretty easy. He had kind of like a missing patch, as you guys saw in the beginning. So how I'm gonna start this off, I'm gonna just chop it down to wavelength. I got my 2 guard on and the lever's fully closed. To me, what it looked like for his front hairline, it was just a lot of overgrowth and it grew kind of uneven, but he had a nice full hairline. After that, I'm gonna smooth it down with my 1.5 before I start to taper. Now I did wash his hair after I cut it down, just to kind of get it to lay a little more smoothly. And I got my FX clippers, my matte black ones. I really like the grip on these. It just fits perfectly. Very comfortable. And whenever a client isn't getting a taper on the sides or none, I like to make the back taper stand out a lot, And the shape up. The shape up has to be A1. If they ain't getting a taper or a fade, that shape up better be A1, player. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. So I noticed his hair cut a little bit of patchy around his ears, so I'm going in, kind of feathering the area just to kind of make it match up. As you can see, his hairline lays pretty much straight down. I'm gonna clean his forehead off with a little bit of alcohol, spray just a little bit of hairspray. And I'm gonna start right in the middle and work my way to each side. So right off the bat, these trimmers are hitting. His skin's prepared perfectly, the hair's laid down. This is the recipe for just a perfect haircut. So we're gonna follow his natural sideburn line. This is about as wide as I could go. I couldn't go any wider because I'd just be lining up nothing. So you gotta follow like the natural outline. Some people like ice picks. It's not really popular here. So I'm just following his natural sideburn line. It's kind of like you're drawing, you just connect it. So the back, I like to start separately and then just connect it around the ear to the sideburn again. It's very simple. If you're struggling with symmetry, it's not always about making a line straight, it's about making it balanced. I've said this many times before in a lot of my videos. It's not about making it straight, it's about making it balanced, symmetrical, meaning both sides are the same. Some lines are going to be crystal clear straight. Some aren't. Some are going to be in a rainbow shape, but as long as each side matches and it's balanced, you're good. So we're going to spray our enhancements. I'm using Tomb 45, the black color with a little bit of brown mix in there. I like to add the pencil just on the vertical bars. I think it adds a clean, simplistic look, minimalist look. And I think it makes the cut look better. Use my code the4thken for 10% off with Easy Blade shaving products. The link to their website is down below. Last but not least, we're going to freehand trim the top a little bit. And finally just add a little bit of mango butter. Just to give his hair some shine, some moisture. And this is the final look. This is how my client came in. He told me, once I gave him the mirror, he really liked how the enhancement made his hairline look dark. That was the look we were trying to go for. And this is how he's leaving. If you're interested in this, book with me if you're in the Philadelphia area. It's your boy 4 and I'm out. Peace.